You can't do this. You got to, ma'am.
Whoa,
Listen,
whoa, whoa, whoa,
You want to go to jail?
Whoa, whoa,
Do you
back
wanna go to
up,
jail?
sir. Back up, sir.
No.
You work for me, sir.
Okay, I'm sorry. Give me a raise. Could you give me a raise? You just want to be nasty. That's what you want to do, ma'am. You making a pass at me. If I had this...
Oh, I'm not making a pass at you, sir. I'm taken already. Are you okay?
Ma'am, you need to go away.
Why?
You need to go away.
Why?
Because you're... Listen,
Whoa,
go away.
whoa, whoa. I have business
Go
here.
back to your car.
I'm with the media.
I don't care who you're with.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the LackLuster channel. This is Acura Amanda, and oh my goodness does she handle the business. Coming up are a couple of my favorite clips that I think you'll enjoy too. It's a breath of fresh air to see women on the streets fighting for our rights, and if you like what you see here, make sure you go over there and like, comment, and subscribe to her channel, and let her know that LackLuster sent you.
Thank you. Okay, please.
Is it my camera?
This is my scene. You can't do this. You got to, ma'am.
Whoa,
Listen,
whoa, whoa, whoa,
You want to go to jail?
Whoa, whoa,
Do you
back
wanna go
up,
to jail?
sir. Back up, sir.
No,
I'm
don't
not
film
breaking
this,
the law,
okay?
sir.
We're doing an
It's my
investigation.
First Amendment right, sir. I can film in public. Do you know
Don't
Smith
film this.
versus the City of Cumming? Do you know that court ruling, sir?
I know you are interfering with our investigation.
What's your name and your badge number, sir?
Stop filming.
What's your name and your badge number, sir?
You can film me, but don't film that scene.
Okay, sir. I need your supervisor here.
Well, call it.
That's
Call
your
this
job.
guy.
You work for me, sir.
Okay, I'm sorry. Give me a raise. Could you give me a raise?
We give you enough money. We
I'm
the
asking you.
people.
If I work
We
for
the
you-
people. You work for me.
You just want to be nasty. That's what you want to do, ma'am. You
Sir,
have nothing better to do.
I
than to
have
come
no
over here
ill
and over there.
intentions. I am just weeding out the bad officers in
Okay.
my community, sir.
Well, I wish you to do a good job with that. But don't bother our investigation here.
This is my First Amendment right,
Okay,
sir. Have a
you'll-
nice day.
Okay, thank
What
you.
was your name and badge number?
I don't feel comfortable telling you that right now.
You are not the feelings police, sir.
Okay, well, come here. Read my name.
No,
read my
no.
name. Get my name here.
6 feet, sir. I can't see that at night either. Is that what you tell the judge? Is that what you tell the judge? My name is right here?
No, the judge can see that. You're not in the courthouse. You're not a judge.
Sir,
Right.
you are very unprofessional.
And you are very unprofessional too, ma'am. We're at risk enough out here, and you want to come in here and got all
You
your
guys
camera
are at
equipment?
risk.
Yes, ma'am, we are.
It's tyrants like you that put us at risk, sir. Yes,
You don't know me
absolutely.
from Adam House, Cat, and you call me a
Absolutely.
tyrant.
Well, you don't know this is my First Amendment right to be here filming. This is a matter of public interest and public safety.
Absolutely.
Wow, guys.
Now, stay right there. We'll film each other. I want to have a record of you as well.
All right, guys. So I guess we're going to get a cam back. Very unprofessional.
You don't have to film my car. Get out. Get out.
No.
Get out.
No, ma'am, I can film in public.
You was asking for. We tried. She got her First Amendment rights. I'm gonna
Yes, this is my First Amendment right. Isn't it sad?
get you a case number for the crash.
Have a good night, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Do
I
you-
knew you were pleasant.
Do you want to identify, though? Because it is in your policy to identify, sir.
Identify what?
Your name and badge number, ID number.
You're being cordial. I think you're coming on to me, and I don't want to give you my name number like that.
Well, sir,
I don't have any official business with you. You're doing your photography. But for you to ask me all that, I think you're trying to make a pass at it.
well,
And
sir,
that's not professional.
well, sir, I'm a member of the media, and this is my business filming you guys.
I did nothing other than having a casual conversation that you pretty much forcing it on me. And I do feel that you're making a pass, and that's not right.
Well, sir, you work for the public, and
Ain't
this
got nothing
is.
to do with you making a pass at me. If I had business,
Oh, I'm not making a pass at you, sir. I'm taken already.
I feel as such, so I don't want to give you my name.
Well, sir, I'm sorry, but I'll have to be filing a complaint against you.
Please do.
I will.
And I almost want to file a sexual harassment complaint against you because I'm a guy and you continue to ask me my name for no reason at all.
Wow, sir, your allegations are wild. You are definitely unprofessional, and you're going in the Hall of Shame.
Thank you, but you're not going to tell me how I feel. I'm taking what you're telling me as making a pass at me.
Wow.
And I'm a married man, and I don't appreciate that. And if you could please leave, I'll feel better.
Please leave? Why would I leave?
Why would you stay?
Because am I free to go? If I'm free to go, I'm free to stay.
Well, I'm free not to have you make that pass successful and find me somewhere and try to make more passes.
Sir, I have a very happy marriage. And I am not making a pass at you. I'm very sorry you feel that way. Have a good night.
I wish your marriage better.
He wishes my marriage better. That's the way they talk to you over here, guys. Wow. You okay, sir? Are you okay?
Ma'am, you need to go away.
Why?
You need to go away.
Why?
Because you're... Listen,
Whoa,
go away.
whoa! I have business
Go
here.
back to your car.
What's your name and your badge number?
Go back to your car.
Why?
Deputy Sullivan.
What's your badge number?
You're taking our attention away from this person.
No,
here.
I'm not. It's
Yes,
my
you
camera.
Are. Okay, well, you need to go away.
No.
You can film from over there. You can film from over here. But
Okay.
you cannot be filming over here.
Wow, very aggressive.
Okay, transport van's here. So if you want to go, you can go. It's really easy.
That's why public relations are so bad in the community, guys. See this citizen right here? She's recording also. She's doing a great job. Always record the police. Recording the police is a matter of public interest. The courts have ruled on this already, guys. And he got up in my face without his mask. Now he put it on. They brought the paddy wagon. Unless he's just fueling up. But that's what it appears, guys.
Ma'am, last time, I need you to back up.
Where?
Over there.
Is that a lawful command?
It is a lawful command.
And what are you going to do if I do not?
You will be going to jail.
Okay.
For obstruction.
Obstruction, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I don't want to go to jail, so... Is this good?
That's fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
I backed up, what, a whopping 2 feet?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, he's very angry, guys.
You just moved back up again.
No, I didn't. I'm right here. I'm recording everything.
Okay.
Go back. Away from the van.
This van?
Go away from the van.
How far? I'm just recording you guys. This is a matter of public interest. I'm with the media.
I don't care who you're with. Just because you're with the media doesn't mean you can do whatever you want.
Sir, don't even go there with me. You guys cannot do whatever you want.
Okay.
I'm not bothering you, sir. Have a nice day.
That concludes our video for today. Please subscribe and turn on all notifications so you never miss a video. If you're old here, like, share, comment down below what you think of this interaction, and consider a channel membership or merch to further support the channel. If you have an incident you'd like us to review, link it down below or contact us through the social media platforms linked in the description.